High drama unfolded in West Tripura on Sunday afternoon as BJP supporters hit the streets in a massive protest against Tipra Motha MLA Ranjit Debbarma, organized by the 29 Krishnapur Mandal. The demonstration targeted the legislator's past as the chief of the banned insurgent group ATTF and his alleged role in recent political unrest. The rally commenced from the Mandal office in Chakmagarh, winding through local thoroughfares before culminating at Dui Madhu Bazar. Protesters carried placards and shouted slogans demanding the immediate arrest of the MLA. In a symbolic act of defiance, BJP workers set fire to an effigy of Ranjit Debbarma, accusing him of continuing to destabilize the state. The protest was spearheaded by MDC Bidyut Debbarma and Mandal President Ananjoy Das. Speaking to the media, Bidyut Debbarma leveled several serious allegations. The MDC reminded the public of Ranjit Debbarma's history with the ATTF, accusing him of involvement in past massacres that left many families devastated.
Dinechung aro Kristupur Mandal Niyawo Ramchandra Ghat Chini Mananiya Mantri Vikas Debbarma tai Prosenjit Debbarma BJP neta Jefruo aro bike rally khaina thango o jarawo borongno graftar ma khainai Prosenjit Debbarma no graftar ma khainai himani Prosenjit Debbarma bosroti dusiya abo naikhakai Tripura rajyawo Bidayok Bortoman Ramchandra Ghatni Otitni ATTF ni Supremo je borogno Wansa Tipra Butharka Obani Gila case Tongo Obani Oporibani Borog Rock Justice Sano Opori Borog Bandi Borog Jasmine Sano Opori Bandi Borog Rock Bongni Busa Butui Buma Bufano Butharbani Abuni Pran Bikhanayo Abuni Protibade Bono Graftar Khaida Nangai Hinai Tini Iarawa Misilungka Aro Adamo Nuhunka Ango Sabiling Tongo Karan public di Dukhoni Logade Chumbo Dukhotom.
The local administration has reportedly increased patrolling in the area to prevent any further clashes between rival political factions. Pure report, Chini Khorang.